Cephable supports teachers and students across the teaching and learning apps they already use. Let's look at some examples. Let's start with some lecture notes a student may be given for a lesson on weather. They can dictate directly into the document to add any other context or reminders they may have gotten in class. Scroll down to where you want to insert the text. In your Cephable panel, start the microphone. Click where you want to insert text. Dictate. Remember to study all of these terms and definitions for the quiz that I have next Wednesday. Stop listening. Students and teachers can also use Cephable's Create features to help create study materials. Let's copy some of these vocabulary words to our clipboard, and then we'll give Cephable another prompt to help us create some new material. Use this vocabulary and generate a poem to help me study all of these terms in a fun way. Next, I'll paste in the vocabulary and click into the document where I want to add this new poem. Now you can see this new poem with the vocabulary to learn about these terms in a different way. Remember, you can also use summarize, rewrite, or translate in the same way across your apps where you're inserting text to. Teachers can also use Cephable to do work for them in the background while they attend to other classroom needs or additional computer tasks using Cephable's Automate feature. Let's take this article from Time for Kids about the World Cup that I plan on assigning to my students later, and Cephable is going to help me create the assignment to go with the article. Let's set it up. In the Cephable panel, let's dictate our prompt. Use this World Cup article and create a new Microsoft Word document I can give to middle school students to have reflection questions to support a creative writing assignment. Then drag the article into Cephable. It has it as context and it has the prompt. And now I can click Start. You can see Cephable now thinking and analyzing the request, and we'll soon have a document that we can give to the students. You can even minimize your panel and go do other things on your computer or in your classroom while it does the work for you. Now Cephable has finished creating the new reflection question for my class. You can click Open in the panel and see all the new ideas that it came up with, choose and edit to your liking. The possibilities with Cephable automations are endless, and remember, all of this information stays private and on your device.